Sanibonani, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I hope usongene ne-right wetsenana. Phezulu kwayo indaba yengane zesithembu, ingane zikaMusa Mseleko, Nkosi yami. NanguMpilo-ke agqokele le outfit ebabayo eshisa be. Ishisa bhele outfit, Nkosi yami, iku-6, Nkosi yami. Uyatsho ukubana celani iskuta, ngicelani isithuthutu okwamanje, okwangogo, like as in right now. Nabo abantu bayatsho ukubana bathi hayi, mpheni Nkosi yami isithuthutu sakhe, mpheni Nkosi yami isithuthutu sakhe. Nangu-ready, zikephi izikhiye, zikephi izithixo zesithuthutu, Nkosi yami. Ake athi abe yi-bad bike girl. Uyatsho-ke abantu phaya bayamcommentela bathi hayi, no girl, it is giving a bad bike girl. Uyatsho-ke naye ukubana hayi, abantu bayakhomenta kwakhona bathi yiyo le outfit le esizukubana beniyephuza ngayo, nisiyesela ngayo ama-long lion. Hey guys, utata uMseleko, Nkosi yami, uzositshela ngento esizozimangaza. Hayi, nayi le ndaba isiphumile ukubana babesela utshwala, basela ngojeki, Nkosi yami. Waze wamangala-ke utata uMseleko ukubana hayi, njani kaloku uTirelo sekaphuza utshwala abusela aze abuselele ejegini, Nkosi yami. Baze basela ama-long lion as utata uMseleko awasho, Nkosi yami. Bana hayi, akuyona i-long lion, Nkosi yami. So abantu bayatsho ukubana uthi hayi, seniphuza ngojeke wempilo. Hayi, basho-ke bathi hayi guyisini, leyo-ke sizobuya siyikhulume ngenye imini. Okwamanje celani isithuthutu, Nkosi yami. I-outfit nayi ikhona yonke iphelele. Bayasho ukubana hayi, fashion sense is on fleek, girl. You are eating that outfit and you are leaving zero trace of it. The way you ate that outfit, the way she ate it all up, guys. She left no crumbs in this outfit. You know, Umpilo, she's not scared of color. She wears bright. Even when you see, she wear like beautiful red long dresses, and we can see here she's even wearing red lipstick. Yeah, she loves her red lipstick. Like, it has to be red lipstick when it comes to Mpilo, and it suits her perfectly, Nkosi yami. Imfanela to. So nje, hair and anything that is red nje, uyabona nje ukuthi red is for me, red is made for me. She looks gorgeous in it. What do you guys think? Mpheni Nkosi yami isithuthutu sakhe.